H Mann Heat and Cool. HVAC systems in stone mills can be vastly different from building to building. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of H Mann Heat's core strengths, and we're proficient with both commercial and residential settings. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand your particular HVAC needs and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For Stone Mills HVAC installations and repairs, call H Mann Heat at 613-770-0467. For more information, please visit our website, www.mannheatoncool.ca, or contact us through phone 613-770-0467. You can visit our office, 212 Dewey Road, Stone Mills, Ontario K0K3N0. H Mann Heat and Cool.